guys, this is Praying with the Mission, and if you haven't yet checked the channel out, do so down below. If you are new and don't know what we're about, consider subscribing, consider hitting the bell so you will be notified whenever a video comes out. We mainly focus on music videos, that is our center goal, but we have been putting out more biblical content as well. Okay, let's get to what we're talking about in this video. I'm sure if you've clicked on this, you already know it is, we have hit 200 subscribers. And for people out there who are like, 200 subscribers is nothing. Look at these big guys on YouTube. But we want to thank you personally from the bottom of our hearts for every single subscription. It means a lot, and it's getting us to our goal, not necessarily of a bigger numbers, but a bigger community where we can share our faith together and learn and grow together. I have a little checklist because I don't want to miss anything, and I don't want to leave you guys hanging on any particular topic. Okay, so some of you might be asking, so how did you get there? How did you get to 200 subscribers? And people can talk about how easy it is, but I'm here to tell you reality. Reality is, it doesn't come overnight unless you have a video that goes viral, and we all know about those. They happen to random people out of the middle of nowhere. Unless you put the effort in and you know exactly what you're aiming at. For us, we just constantly kept on putting out pretty consistent content, and I'm telling you guys, it was the Lord. He's brought us every single subscriber, and I am truly thankful to Him as well as you guys who have subscribed. It means a lot. The next one on the list is, what are we doing? Okay, so what I've been doing, as you probably know, if you're a subscriber, you've probably seen this, is I have been putting out devotionals, or if you will, videos on Bible topics every single day, and I've been working on those. We're going to have one for every single day of the year, except Saturdays, and those will be put out every single day. I've been working on those. I put hours and hours and hours into those, and that's pretty much what I've been doing right now. Okay, our next is, what have we been up to? Okay, so I have been up to what I just previously talked about, and my sister has been working on her education, so therefore you probably have not seen her on the channel as much because of that. That is what she's doing right now. She's fine, she's having fun, she's getting things done, and yeah, that's what we're doing pretty much right now. Another thing on here that I would like to know, just from you in general, just from the audience, is exactly what you want as content. We just started up discussion time with Abby. That video has actually done really well. We did it with Conrad Vaughn for the first one, and we're gonna have people consecutively on the channel as guest speakers, and I really love that. It's exciting to do. If that's something you guys like, definitely comment in the description below what you like, what you want to see. I'm gonna be putting out, of course, the Bible devotionals for the rest of the year, but I want to have your feedback, and I want to know exactly what you're aiming towards, what you guys enjoy. Music videos are gonna stay on the channel, so that is gonna be something that we're gonna do. And yeah, just comment down below, please, and I will respond to every single comment. Another thing on the channel is pass it on. If you have watched a video, if you like it, if you think it's neat, if there's parts in it that you enjoy, pass it on. It always helps to pass the content on. I know sometimes people watch it and don't take the time to pass it on. I am to blame for this. I do it as well. I see something on YouTube and I'm like, oh, that was great, you know, you give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, but then you forget to pass it on, maybe to a friend or a family member, and that is really what gets it going. So more people can see. If you pass it on, it will spread, just like the love of Jesus. If you pass it on, it will spread. And so do it with the videos if you want to. I'm not telling you got to, but if you feel inspired and passionate about a certain video you see on this particular channel, pass it on. In closing up, I know this was short. If there's anything else that you have questions about, want to hear about, whatever, comments below, let me know. But if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. Along with subscribing, hit the notification bell so that you will receive every single video that comes out. It really helps for you as an individual, because if you don't, you might not always see everything that comes out. And consider with us. Now, I know that's a little like, some people might not want to do that, but if you have a testimony, or if you have a ministry you work with, or if you're simply passionate about a Bible topic, reach out to me via the email on our About section on the channel or in the comments below, and I will definitely get back to you. In discussion time with Abby, we're going to be having different speakers there, not necessarily speakers as in qualified preachers, but people simply sharing their testimonies. And if this is something you want to do, let me know, and I will definitely get back to you ASAP. Anyway, thank you so much, and thank you for participating in the channel. We really appreciate every single one of you. I will be leaving, on this side, I will be leaving the video we just did with discussion time with Abby, Conrad Vine. It's our newest one. Go check it out. I know you'll love it. And our last 2, if not 1, music videos that we just stuck out, so you can see those as well. Hope you enjoy.